Hi students, this is Joshna. So today we will learn about mensuration. So in mensuration, our first class is about circle. So let's see what is circle first. You see, this is a circle, right? So what is the definition of circle? The path traced by a point. Here you can see, this is the point, center. So I have written O. This center, the name of this center is O. So the path traced by a point. Here point is O. Okay, which moves in such a way that so from this point you have to do a circle, you have to draw a circle. It always remains at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Means you see here point is there. So wherever you can draw the line, but the distance should be fixed. The distance should not change. Okay, wherever you can draw any line, so the distance should be same. It should be fixed. It is the definition of a circle. Now let's see what are the parts of a circle. So let's come to first radius. Okay, this is the center. So from this center, wherever you can draw a line at any point. Here, wherever also you can draw a line, center to end of this circle, it's called as radius. Okay, it's called as radius. It is the radius of this circle. So here you see, if we will join two radius from a point, this is one radius, again this is one radius. So this is r plus r is 2r. So complete line of a circle is known as diameter. Okay, so d equals to how much? 2r. You see here, this is one radius, again this is one radius. So r plus r is 2r. So it's called as diameter. So diameter of a circle is equals to 2 into radius, 2r now. So 2r is called as diameter. Okay, now you see, radius over diameter over. Now you see, what is this line? Can anyone say me what is this line? So here from center I have not drawn this line. From anywhere in a circle you can draw a line. So what is called it? It is called as chord of this circle. Okay, it is called as chord. From anywhere, only you have to draw a line. Anywhere you can draw in a circle, it is called as chord. It is not related to the center or that fixed point. Anywhere you can draw, it is called as chord of this circle. Next, what remained? Next you see, now we will come to the point. What is the circumference of circle and what is the area of this circle? So at first you see, here circle is there. If you will draw a line here, okay, so you see at a point the line will touch. Okay, let it be P, let it be Q. Okay, so you will draw a line where at a point it will touch the circle. Where the line will touch this circle at one point, it is called as tangent of the circle. Okay, it is called tangent. See, wherever you will draw a line which is not related to point, inside of this circle if you will draw a line anywhere, it is called as chord. And external line, if you will draw a external line, it will meet this circle at one point, then it is called as tangent. Clear? Now you see, if I will draw a line like this from outside to inside of this circle, okay, then you see here it intersect, let it be R, let it be S. Okay, so the line R and S joins this circle at 2 points. These are the 2 points, you can easily see. So what is this? This is called as secant of the circle. So these are the parts of the circle. Okay, now let's see what is the circumference of this circle and what is circumference is otherwise called as perimeter, and what is the area of this circle. So first let's come to circumference. Okay, so what is the circumference or perimeter of a circle?